Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest insights on the most innovative gear out there. Today, we're spotlighting the best Roq Hat Light on the market, the head LIGHTZ Rechargeable LED Beanie Hat by Roq Innovation. And let me tell you, this one is a game changer for outdoor lovers, night walkers, runners, campers, and even those emergency moments when the power goes out. Let's dive in. At first glance, it looks like your cozy everyday beanie, and that's because it is. Made from 100% knit acrylic, the material feels soft, durable, and well constructed. But what sets it apart is the built-in LED headlamp nestled neatly in the front. It's not just a gimmick. This beanie is equipped with a powerful, removable LED light that's bright, reliable, and incredibly practical. The hat features a lithium-ion rechargeable battery that's tested for both safety and durability. Once charged, you're looking at up to 8 hours of use depending on your brightness setting. There are 3 brightness modes. Just tap the button to toggle between low, medium, and high. On its highest setting, it delivers 100 lumens of brightness, which is more than enough for a nighttime jog or finding your way around a dark tent. It's also worth mentioning how lightweight the whole setup is. You won't feel the light unit dragging down the hat, and once it's on your head, it's just like any other beanie, except way more useful. And because it's designed to be machine washable, you can simply pop out the light and throw the hat in with your laundry. That's convenience built right in. Now let's talk fit. The beanie is unisex and stretches comfortably to fit most head sizes from ages 8 and up. Whether you're using it for hiking, camping, working on your car, or just walking the dog in the early morning hours, it adds a level of safety and visibility that's hard to beat. And if you're looking for a gift, especially with the holidays or Father's Day in mind, this could be the perfect pick. It's functional, stylish, and unique. Plus, it's been featured on Oprah's favorite things list, so you know it's already made an impression in the world of thoughtful, useful gifts. With Roq Innovation being a small business brand, there's also a feel-good factor to this purchase. You're supporting innovation, quality, and entrepreneurship. So there you have it. The head LIGHTZ Rechargeable LED Beanie Hat. A perfect fusion of style, comfort, and smart functionality. Whether you're lighting the trail ahead or just freeing your hands during evening chores, this beanie earns its place as the best Roq Hat Light available today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hands-on reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and stay lit out there.